Hi, good morning. Mm, Today we are going to start the subject um, artificial intelligence and Internet of Vehicles, in which the fifth unit belongs to advanced applications and ethical considerations. The topic we are going to discuss today is autonomous driving applications. The roadmap of autonomous driving application shows artificial intelligence foundation and applications are classified into types of artificial intelligence, rule-based systems, and the real-world applications. The future of mobility. Basically, the mobility means that the vehicles are moving across and the transforming islands of intelligence into cooperative networks. The empathy part belonging to understand the human element in Internet of Vehicles. The figure clearly indicates the computer stress, safety anxiety, commercial efficiency, as well as the joy of the travel. Here is the empathy of advanced applications and ethical consideration, in which we need to consider the commuter stress, safety anxiety, commercial efficiency, as well as the joy of the travel. The commuter stress means to identify the frustration of the accordion effect in traffic and the danger of hidden zones at intersections. Wherever the intersections of the roads, we have to identify the hidden part of the danger. The second thing is safety anxiety. Recognizing the need for the early warnings of emergency vehicles and pedestrians that are currently out of sight. So, this means that we are not identifying where the ambulance is coming, how the pedestrians are crossing the road and all. It has to be identified. Then, commercial efficiency. It is to understand the pressure on truck fleets to reduce the fuel consumption and optimize the highway capacity. So, basically, we need to reduce the consumption of the fuel as well as to optimize the highway capacity. Finally, the joy of travel. It means that empathizing with the desire for productive or relaxing in the vehicle experience once the burden of driving is removed. Next, the defined part shows the problem statement. This means that onboard sensors are limited by line of sight, leaving the vehicles blind to the obstacles around corners or behind the large trucks. There are traffic inefficiency. It means that standard adaptive cruise control is reactive rather than proactive, leading the cognition and wasted energy. Secondarily, the integration of hurdle, which means that the moving L4 autonomy from pilot program to commercial reality requires managing the large fleets and infrastructure communication. The define continues as safety critical needs as well as the visual suggestion. Finding a way to detect the vulnerable road users like cyclists and pedestrians through more than just visual sensors. The visual suggestions states a technical diagram showing a vehicle's limited onboard sensor cone versus the expanded V2X vision provided by the network. V2X means that a vehicle do everything. Here is the ideate stage, which is for safety and efficiency, which mainly discusses the cooperative solution, platooning and CACC, GLOSA, infrastructure assisted sensing, visual suggestions, etc. Also, the ideate stage recommends the reimagination, the urban experience, smart fleet management, as well as the cabin intelligence. It also discusses about the vehicle to pedestrian. The summary of the Internet of Vehicles has been shown here, and let us conclude this topic with a great thank you. Thank you so much.